We are here at Collegetown Center on the 6th floor. I wanted to show you that we are at the east end of the hallway, and we are next to the laundry room that sets door here. And this is the entrance to apartment 627. This is a 1-bedroom apartment on the top floor. This is our largest 1-bedroom apartment within the building. Let's go on and take a look. You can see we're entering through the kitchen. We've got our cabinets. There's the refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher, the microwave, drawers, and there is a stove and oven. So great kitchen space, just like we have in all the other apartments here. You can see over on our left, we have this little nook that works out well for a small shoe rack, a narrow table, or some other shelf that you might like to have for extra storage. As we go into the apartment, you can see 2 doors. On the right will be a closet, a hall closet. On the left will be the bathroom. Let's take a look in those. Let's stop by the closet first. So this is a great hall closet. This is good for your coats, storage, suitcases, boxes, things like that. There's that kitchen we just came through. Let's look in the bathroom. The bathroom is like the other units we've seen here in Collegetown Center. So we have that tub shower with a sliding door. There is the sink with the vanity underneath. You can see the toilet, the large mirror. The small mirror on the wall is a cabinet that does open for additional storage, and some towel bars as well. Let's see the living room space. This does come with a dining table and chair. You also have the seating areas in here. Let's go on over. This is a nice area. It's a lot of space. You can move things around however you like. There's even room to put kind of more of your own items in here in the apartment. You can see the heater over on the left, the air conditioner under the window. There's a heater and air conditioner unit in each of the 2 rooms in here. Let's go on over. We're facing to the south. This is so nice and bright. We're on the top floor. You can see we're pretty high up. Over to the right especially, we get a nice valley view. And you can see over to the left, that looks over towards College Avenue. And let's go on in and see the bedroom. So a bedroom is what differentiates a studio from a 1-bedroom apartment. A studio would just be this main space that we're in right here without an extra room. A 1-bedroom apartment takes that main space and then adds a bedroom. So we have this additional bedroom with a door that closes off. So this is the bedroom part of a 1-bedroom apartment. Look at this with the 2 windows on the corner, on the top floor of this building. This is fantastic. This is so light and bright in here. This window over on our left faces to the east, so you get such ample morning light in here. This is great for our early birds. And over to the right is the south view again, like we had in the living room. There's that air conditioner. Here's that other heater over here. So beautiful views up here on the top floor of the building. You can see down below us is College Ave. We are located just at the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, and of course from there we're located 1 block from campus. Let's take a look at the closet space here in this apartment, in this room. So we have 2 more closets in here. Of course this door on the left is the bedroom door we just came in, and then we have 2 additional closets in the bedroom. Look at that. There's so much storage space here in this apartment. And again, so much floor space. You can bring in more items if you like, another small chair or other of your own furnishings. You're welcome to bring in whatever you like in the apartments as long as it fits neatly. You can see our additional furniture items. So we have that dresser, that tall bookshelf, and there's the desk and chair. So that's a look at apartment 627. This is a 1-bedroom apartment here in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road. As you know, we're just 1 block from campus. This is a 6th-floor elevator building. This is the only 1-bedroom apartment of this style here within the building at Collegetown Center, apartment number 627.